then push it all the way to the floor while we've got the button pressed. Okay? So before we do that, what we're going to do is we're going to set the gas. So we're going to give the engine a little bit of engine noise. So you're going to use the gas pedal. Do you see this needle over here?
Yeah.
That's how fast the engine is running. So if you squash the gas pedal and see if you can get it to like 1.5 and keep it there. This might take you a moment. Now, given how efficiently you did that when I said this will take a moment, we know there will be a car coming at that junction, don't we? So now you've done that, now comes the complicated bit, but as a dancer, fingers crossed, you'll be able to do this. We are going to keep our foot on the gas pedal at 1.5, and we're going to look for what they call the bite point. That's the point where the engine and the wheels start to come together. So to find that, we need to creep our foot, our left foot, slowly off the clutch. We're just going to lift it very slowly until we feel the engine start to change sound, or start to change feel, or feel as if we're starting to move. You might feel the back of the car dipping down. Oh, do you feel that?
Yeah.
Hold that clutch foot still. Keep both feet completely still now. Pop your left hand on the parking brake, lift it, squash the button, pop it all the way down, and now come off the clutch. Wahey! And we're going to pull up on the left near that lamppost, okay? So there's nobody behind us, there's nobody in front of us, so let's just edge a little towards the curb, ease off the gas pedal completely, straighten up a little, because otherwise we'll go up the curb, that's it, and then squash the clutch pedal back to the floor, and then press the brake pedal really gently. And now let's not move our feet, let's make the car safe. So parking brake goes on, and then into neutral, and now you can move your feet.